So for part 2, they want me to prove that when A is that, B is that, and C is that, that prove it is a Pythagorean triple for any value of n, which means I can't sub in. So it means that c squared is equal to b squared plus a squared. I'm going to work out the left hand side here. Then I'm going to work out the right hand side. And hopefully the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. So if you want to square this, you could take it to the side and work it out. I'm just going to do it on another sheet of paper just to keep it nice and clean for you so you can see exactly what's going on. And I want to multiply that by itself. Okay, so that gives me 4n to the power 4 plus 4n cubed plus 2n squared plus 4n cubed plus 4n squared plus 2n plus 2n squared plus 2n plus 1. I need to clean all of that up. Okay, so that's 4n to the power 4. 4n cubed and 4n cubed is 8n cubed. 2n squared and the 2n squared and the 4n squared gives me 8n squared. And 2n and 2n is 4n plus a 1. That's that all cleaned up. So the left hand side here is 4n squared plus 8n cubed plus 8n squared plus 4n plus 1. Now I hope that this is what I get on the right hand side when I square this out and add it to this squared. Again, I'm going to just go back to my extra sheet here. So we have 2n squared plus 2n to be multiplied by itself. I'll do this first. That gives me 4n to the power 4. That gives me 4n cubed plus 4n cubed plus 4n squared. Which gives me 4n cubed, 4n to the power 4 plus 8n cubed plus 4n squared. So instead of this, I'm writing in 4n to the power 4 plus 8n cubed plus 4n squared plus, probably don't need to take this to the side and multiply it out, but you can if you want. So it's 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 gives me 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. So cleaning this up, that's 4n to the power 4 plus 8n cubed plus 8n squared plus 4n plus 1. And yeah, that is equal to what I had over here. 4n squared plus 8n cubed plus 8n squared plus 4n plus 1. True. It is a Pythagorean triple, always. No matter the value of n. And it says where n is an element of natural numbers.